Do I look bra?
Looking good. Is that what you wanted to hear?
Woo! That is a win! Hello folks, how are you doing? Welcome to the vlog. My name is Shaun, a YouTuber from Edinburgh in Scotland. And in today's episode, I thought I'd have a wee bit fun with Siri. That is Apple's voice recognition software on its iPhones. Give it a bit of Scottish accent and see how it responds. If you are new to my channel, I would very much appreciate if you would hit the big red subscribe button down below so you can keep in touch with all of my videos from now on. Right here on my channel, I talk all about Scottish culture, Scottish things, Scottish travel around the world, global issues, all kinds of things. So do hit that subscribe button and join in with all the fun. Before we start, I've got a wee bit of news for you. I have launched a podcast. I have been talking about this for the last 6 months about potentially doing it, and I've finally done it. You can find it on YouTube, you can find it on Anchor, you will eventually be able to find it on Google Play and also the iTunes store as well. In the main, it will live on a YouTube channel, and I would very much appreciate if you would go over there and hit the subscribe button. The link is down below and up above and all that kind of stuff. The podcast brand is going to be called Shauncast. I'm going to be doing long form content over there. And I know there is a lot of you guys who have been talking about this and asking when I'm going to launch the podcast. Well, it is launched as of today. There is the first episode of Shauncast. I need you guys to subscribe because then I will regain all of the same functionality that I have here on my main YouTube channel. Right, onto it. Siri, let's see how it can handle the Scottish accent. I know there are a lot of people out there in the big bad world who love Scottish accents. In fact, I've even heard that many people think the Scottish accent is sexy, right? But unfortunately, it seems technology, modern day technology, does not have the same passionate feelings for the Scottish accent. And you know what? We're moving into a new era, and that is exactly why I started my podcast. We're moving into a new era of devices, smart home technology devices. These devices are going to be in all our homes one day. Google, Amazon, and Apple have all released these home devices. They're basically smart speakers, and they work on two-way communications. You talk to it, and it will reply to you. I know, guys, that there is a problem here for us Scottish people in particular, because we have already used Siri. There is lift automation technology that you will see funny videos about online, I'm pretty sure, and none of this technology has yet to understand the Scottish accent. And then what happens is we get left trapped in lifts. And now that all of our homes are going to be connected and functioning based solely on voice technology, things like turning on the lights, the heating and whatever, I fear in Scotland we have a huge problem. I think we might even have some kind of wipeout of the Scottish gene pool because we're all going to die off, guys. And this is no joke, right? These devices, these smart devices are coming into all of our homes, and they're going to run the heating for us. They are going to turn the taps on. They're going to do everything in our houses. And there's a lot of you guys out there who are saying, don't worry, we can resist it. We do not need to buy Google, Apple and Amazon technology, these smart devices. I'm afraid, guys, there is only so long you can resist that, because one day your heating company, your electricity company is going to say to you, we can only offer you these services if you have a smart device in your home. And then what are you going to do? This, by the way, is the iPhone X, the latest and supposedly the smartest iPhone ever. The top cell phone on the market right now. If this doesn't understand me, guys, we're in serious soapy bubble in Scotland. Anyway, let's start, shall we? Alright Siri, how's it going? Siri, are you ignoring me, you ball bag? You alright, Siri? Siri? Oh. Hey Siri. Ah, now it answers. Siri, what's the weather in Edinburgh today?
The weather's looking good for Edinburgh, Scotland
Whoa!
today. Up to 6 degrees.
It answered me. That was quite a strong, broad Scottish accent there, I thought. Siri, what's the best football team in Edinburgh?
Which league? Bundesliga, Campionato Brasileiro Serie A, Champions League, French Ligue 1, Italian Serie A, La Liga, MLS.
I said, what's the best football team in Edinburgh?
Which league?
Alright, Siri. Hearts or Hibs?
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri, do you watch Scottish football?
I'm more of a stato than an outfield player. Ask me about recent matches.
It understood me. I think we've made breakthroughs in this technology, guys. It is getting me so far, and I'm going for it with a big heavy Scottish accent. Siri, what would happen when you hear the noise of the Tartan Army boys?
Here's what I found on the web for what would happen when you hear the noise of the Tottenham the boys.
Let's go underground, old school Scottish on this bad boy.
Here's what I found on the web for where do I commit to specific you're going to catch you no mummy won't let's go how cold on this let's go underground old school Scottish on this bad boy.
Siri, what is Bucky?
Here's what I found on the web for what is Bucky.
Not quite I'm looking for there, sunshine. Alright Siri, I've got you. What is Bruichladdich?
Here's some information.
Bridgewater. It's not Bridgewater I'm looking for. Siri, I'm looking for Bruichladdich.
Okay, check it out.
Okay, to be fair guys, right, that's probably a word derived from a place which is derived from Gaelic. So it's never going to understand Gaelic, right? But let's try a few Gaelic words. Let's take it to Outlander. Outlander, Siri, what is a Sassenach?
Okay, I found this.
Okay, it found it. It found the definition of Sassenach. Siri, are you a Sassenach?
Let's talk about you, not me.
Ooh, that's funny. Siri, is it good to be a Sassenach?
Here's what I found on the web for is it good to get a snack.
Siri, dinna fash.
Who, me?
Siri, dinna fash.
Interesting question.
It translated it because it puts the text there up above when you talk to it, right? When I said Siri, dinna fash, it translated as Siri, can I fart? Siri, what is the clan Mackenzie? Got it, guys. Mackenzie surname. Interesting. There are 55,000 people from the Mackenzie family, apparently. Siri, what is your clan?
I don't really like talking about myself.
Alright, Siri, I think you're a wee bit of a smarty pants.
I don't know what you mean by, I think it'll be better smarty pants. How about a web search for it?
Nah, listen, tell me, who is the current First Minister of Scotland?
Here's what I found on the web for not listen tell me who is the current First Minister of Scotland.
I am impressed, Siri. I'm not gonna lie. Siri, in which TV programme could I find the phrase, "Gonna no do that"?
I'm not finding anything for phrase.
Siri, I think you're a wee bit of a joker.
You're certainly entitled to that opinion.
What is a haggis?
Haggis is a savoury pudding containing sheep's pluck, minced with onion, oatmeal, suet, spices, and salt, mixed with stock, traditionally encased in the animal's stomach, though now often in an artificial casing instead. Would you like to hear more?
Whoa, Siri! You got haggis right.
Who? Me?
I love this. I could stay talking to Siri all day. Why is Scotland's national animal the unicorn?
Here's what I found on the web for why is Scotland's national animal unicorn.
Siri is just too big for his boots now. Siri, you're looking a wee bit peely-wally.
I don't really like these arbitrary categories.
Arbitrary category. What does peely-wally mean?
Here's what I found on the web for what does Billy Wiley mean.
Not Billy Wiley. I didn't say Billy Wiley, I said peely-wally. Do you think I look peely-wally?
I really couldn't say.
Siri, have you ever given it laldy before?
Who? Me?
Get laldy, Siri.
You don't seem to be playing anything right now.
Ho 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 ho! That was a challenge. I said get laldy and he said you don't seem to be playing anything right now, eh? You're a bit of a wisecracker, Siri, aren't you?
I don't really like these arbitrary categories.
Siri, lang me your lum reek.
Who? Me?
Siri, do you have any wains?
This is about you, not me.
You look bra.
Okay,
Do I look bra?
looking good. Is that what you wanted to hear?
Woo! That is a win! Yes! Siri, have you ever been clipped around the lugs?
Who? Me?
I think they need to include a few more funny responses because it does this who me thing quite a lot. Siri, are you alright, man?
In my realm, anyone can be anything.
Hey Siri. Siri! Hey Siri! Come back, Siri. Don't leave me like this. It's not even responding anymore. I think I've broken it. Hey Siri! Oh, you're back. Thank goodness for that.
You're certainly entitled to that opinion.
Siri, what is a raj?
I don't have the answer to that.
A raj, Siri, is actually a pregnant fish. But in Edinburgh, we use it to describe someone who is a bit mental. What's your favourite scran?
My name is Siri, and I was designed by Apple in California. That's all I'm prepared to say.
Woo, that is hilarious. What about Iron Brew's new recipe, Siri?
Okay, I found this on the web for what about Andrew's new recipe?
Not Andrew, Iron Brew.
I'm not sure I understand.
Alright guys, I think we get the picture, right? Scottish accents, Siri can do. When I speak normal English, plain English, but in a Scottish accent, Siri has picked it up quite well. Actually, I'm really impressed with it. It's come on a long ways. Because actually, the primitive version of Siri on their iPhones couldn't even just pick up the Scottish accent, even if we were speaking all English words like I'm doing right now. So the fact that it now gets that almost perfectly. Scottish people, if they want to be understood by anyone around the world, like when I used to work in London or when I'm talking on YouTube, we need to speak English. No Scottish words, no slangs. Otherwise it just doesn't work, basically. But anyway, I thought that was a bit of a fun video. See how Siri has been updated over the last few years. It is doing well with the Scottish accent, I will give it that. This video idea has been going around for quite a long time. People trying accents and trying different lingos and stuff on Siri around the world, and actually it's been done in Scotland several times. My good mate Wee Scottish Lass, aka Moscow Moon, has done a couple of videos all about Siri versus the Scottish accent. Go and check them out, I will link them down below. But as I said, you guys, we are moving to a world of smart home systems, speakers in our houses that will order things for you, that you can talk to, it will talk back to you, and they have to understand the Scottish accent, right? And if you're interested in these smart systems and where you can buy them, I've actually got my own shop on Amazon right now, amazon.com/shop/Shaun, where you can check out Amazon's smart home systems and the different versions and the different prices. These devices, one thing I do know, apart from the privacy concerns, they can certainly help our lives become more convenient. Because let's face it, if you just walk around your house and you want something, or you want some information, or you want to listen to something, music, podcast, whatever, and you can just talk to the device, that is pretty cool. If you want to tell it to turn the lights on, dim the lights, put the heating up, put the heating down, put the air conditioning on, put the fan on, order a pizza for you, like that is going to be what these things can do. Another bit of news, I have also launched recently a Facebook group all about Scotland where we can share our Scottish stories, our Scottish photographs, and our Scottish videos all about our amazing wee country. So if you come over to Facebook, do come and check it out, join, you would be very welcome. If you've got an interest in Scotland, if you're Scottish 10 times removed, if you are 10% Scottish in your DNA, you're all welcome to join. It is called Scotland the Great, and the URL for you is facebook.com/groups/Scotland the Great. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching today's vlog. Hopefully you found it a little bit amusing or enlightening about the Scottish words and accents and slangs that we use. And listen guys, I hope you have a really amazing day, night, morning, evening, or whatever time of day it is wherever you are in this world. Take care.